not going to lie, that's a scary looking record right there. But, you know, Hasit being the underdog, he has the advantage, you know, he has to fight hard to prove himself. However, start of this fight quite explosive, all those punches landing.
It's a high voltage action. They started so aggressive. Fighters so much focused.
Super punches by Kavindu. Oh, a lot of elbows up the top of the head. Relentless pressure from Kavindu Lakshan.
Kavindu is explosive, getting his opponent in a corner with those elbows, strike after strike, and knees. And there is that height advantage which Kavindu has, which means Hasit has to get close. And at the same time, be careful of the elbows which Kavindu is throwing at him.
Oh no, it's not looking good for Hasit at all. This is a level of pressure. I don't know if he can handle it right now. He has to bounce back from this. He has to recover and he has to come back if he wants to continue this fight.
Coach seems confident, not throwing in the towel. It looks like we might be continuing.
Wow. Hasit has heart, but he has to keep those hands up against someone with a boxing background. It's not a good idea to keep your hands down, just swinging like that. Kavindu, calculated strikes by Kavindu.
He's just trying to get in. Oh, he lands so many clean punches.
Very clean punches, very clean punches.
Oh.
Yeah, but I feel like this might be a little bit too much pressure for Hasit.
Yeah,
Don't
of
you guys
course.
think?
It's a good call on the referee. He just starts counting.
Well, it seems that Kavindu, again, that is not something which Hasit expected. That level of aggression, that level of explosiveness. And he's trying to get his bearings, but and that is a knockout.
That is a clean knockout. Clean, clean, clean. Excellent performance by Kavindu and great heart by Hasit for continuing despite being, you know, overwhelmed so many times, showing the heart of a fighter.
A bit overzealous there. Kavindu almost having 2 knockouts in one match.
It's just the beginning.
Obviously, there was a disparity in skill between the two. However, it was a good fight while it lasted first round. I feel like Hasit, if he steps back in here with a little bit more experience, he can do a lot more. He has a heart to continue fighting. Kavindu, I believe, will be going on to fight again in Unleashed 3 with the winner of fight number 8.
Yeah, exactly.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight ends with a knockout. Our winner in the red corner, Kavindu Lakshan! And to present the medal to Kavindu, I'd like to call on the head coach at Vanquish Muay Thai, Mr. Vimukti Avenayaka, sir. Mr. to give away the medal